This is model TC100 paint thickness gauge. Displays micrometers or mils. This company offers a 3-year replacement guarantee and it gets great Amazon customer ratings. So you could measure any paint thickness of a clear coat or the paint on any ferrous or non-ferrous, could be aluminum body or metal body. Here's the unit itself. Comes with a nice instruction booklet and very simple to use. Just turn it on and off. It's a 0 button on here, and you have a choice of micrometers or mils, and you put it against the piece of metal right there, and it's 0 because there's nothing on there. You see it has ferrous on the top, and then here it goes to non-ferrous, and you could take these calibrated pieces. So here I placed one of the laminates on there. It's about 19.7, 20 mils, and I can test it out right here. Zero this out, put it on here, make sure that's 0. Then add this test piece right here, which is 1,000 micrometers or 39.4 mil. And you can see it has the rating on there, micrometers or mils. That's mils and that's micrometers. Now I'm going to be demonstrating this on my car. I have a car that has should be an aluminum hood and it should have a metal body. I'm going to be demonstrating this. So what is this great for? This is great for testing the thickness if you're removing clear coat or you're painting a vehicle. This is an excellent way to make sure that you're not overdoing or taking too much clear coat off. Let you know how close you're getting to the metal in micrometers or mils. You know, when you go to buy a car, they sometimes have damaged areas and sometimes they don't get the paint right, so you see that it's thinner or thicker and it's different than the rest of the body of the car, and that's going to let you know that you're getting a damaged used car. And that's pretty important these days because used cars are so expensive. So we're going to demonstrate this on my Kona EV to see how well it works. It also comes with a nice holder so that you can keep it all safe when you're using it on the job. So very simple to use, as I showed. 0 mode, micrometers and mil and power, and on the bottom right here is the rolling. It's almost like a rolling ball, but it's got a spring load on there. You can see right there, and that pushes it down flush with the sensor, and that's how it's measuring the actual thickness of the metal. There's 2 modes on this device. When you turn it on, you can see the mode button here. There's continuous and single. Single is just what you'd expect. You take one reading and then it's locked in place. If you go into continuous, then you could take the car sample, the paint sample, and you continually be putting it on there, and you can just continually move along and get different values, so it doesn't lock in just one value. And that's great for going across the paint of a car and seeing any variations in the paint and the clear coat. So here I've got my Kona car, and it's an EV, but the hood is aluminum. So let's just take a measurement right here. And you can see it says 15.62 mil, and it says non-ferrous on the display. So that's telling me that the clear coat and the paint is 50.6 mil thick. Now I can move along. I can go to the continuous mode on here, and I can move along and look at the overall thickness of it, which is nice. Now let's try it on the metal part of the body. Now here's the quarter panel, and it shows 12 mil right there, and you notice that it has ferrous on the display. So I can now check the thickness of the clear coat and the paint on the metal ferrous part of the vehicle. So after testing, what do I think about this Model TC100 paint thickness gauge? Really nice product, very simple to use, small, very reliable, with the nice holder and the test pieces and the test ferrous and non-ferrous metal. Can't go wrong. Great value. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.